If you've ever wondered where you can change this wording on your receipts that are sent out from Kajabi, maybe you want to change it to tax invoice or something else that makes this receipt compliant in your area, well, I'm going to show you how to do it in today's Kajabi Quick Tip. First, you need to come to your settings and you want to come to the customer payment settings. This is where you create any custom details that you want added to any receipts that Kajabi sends out on your behalf. It's also where you can turn on and off Kajabi sending those. You can choose whether they go for all successful transactions, only for initial purchases on recurring transactions and subscriptions, or to never send receipts. Totally up to you as to what setting that you do. You can also add sending receipts for refunds as well for when you purchase refunds. And then you can also have a message that goes out with that receipt. So if you do offer anyone a refund, you can have that go out automatically when that is issued. But this is where you will add this actual wording here. So by default, it is just going to say your purchase is confirmed or some other things that Kajabi is going to add to that. But if you want to customize that, you just need to come and add a title. So if we put in here, tax invoice, for example, and then we press save, and then come down to preview, we can now see that that has been updated. So it will now say tax invoice on all of those receipts that are issued. So if you want that wording to be different, whatever it needs to be based on your tax jurisdiction. You may also notice that I have added in here this ABN tax number. That is our business's tax number. If you want that to be part of your invoice, you've got a couple of options. So firstly, you can go into this business address and actually add it in here as a field. So I've added this in as the tax number here. And then another option as well is that you could always add it into this message so that it is showing up if you want to make sure it's extra clear. By adding it in under this address detail is probably going to take care of it, and you can use this field for something else that you might want to add to your invoices. I definitely think adding something reminding people about refund policies and perhaps a customer service contact is a really good idea. But say goodbye to your purchase is confirmed and say hello to tax invoice. It's one little setting. It is a little bit hidden, and this is your Kajabi Quick Tip for today. I'm Sue from the Unicorn Advisory, Kajabi adorer and creator of Kajabi tutorials. If you've got something that you want to know how to do in Kajabi, please do let me know. Feel free to explore the channel for more fantastic content. And if this video was helpful, please do like, leave a comment, and I would really love it if you subscribe. I always do a happy dance whenever I see anyone has subscribed to my channel. It'll be greatly appreciated. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.